Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Mina Creations. Today I'm going to do a dress for my Barbie doll. There is 3 kinds of dresses I can make for my Barbie doll. Some socks. 4 different kinds of socks. So let's start, guys. I'll take the scissors and get the piece of sock. Going to cut it. So I'm cutting a little bit here. Then I'm gonna put it on my Barbie. Look at my Barbie doll. She looks so beautiful. Right, guys? So, I see you back. I'm gonna stretchen it out a bit so it can be nice and big. Okay. Now I have cutted this piece. I'm gonna put it on my Barbie doll. When it is in the cross shape, it looks more beautiful. So now I'm going to put this little piece on Barbie. Just gonna put it here. Now I have put this as a belt. Look in the front. Now look in the back. Does it look pretty, guys? In the comments. Now, this is the 3rd dress I'm making. So I'll just cut a little hole. It's there. Now I'll just cut a piece. This little hole is to put the Barbie doll's hand in. Now I'll put the Barbie doll's dress on. This is my 1 shoulder dress for my Barbie I made. Does it look pretty? Write in the comments. My Barbies are ready in the dresses I have made. Do you like them both? The dresses on? Yes or no? Write in the comments. This style is called 1 shoulder blouse. Do you like the style I made? Write in the comments. Please subscribe and ring the bell. Bye!